Hey everyone, my name is Coach Ariel Brill. Welcome to this video. I want to share with you a quick energy medicine technique called Heaven Rushing In. This is great for bringing in healing energy, and the body understands this communication of energy, and the energy will flow to exactly where you need it today. So what you're going to do is rub your hands together to create some heat and friction and some energy. We're going to shake them off. We're going to bring your arms out wide, overhead, and right to prayer pose. And we're going to take a nice deep breath, a centering deep breath. And when you're ready, you're going to bring your arms out as high as you can go towards the sky. This is great to do outside. And we're going to tilt the head back, and we're going to extend the arms as high as you can go, bringing in nature's energy into the body. This reservoir of energy that we have in nature can provide us all the support that we need to heal ourselves. And we're going to take it all in, and when you're ready, with a nice deep breath, we're going to bring it into the heart chakra. Hope you enjoyed that. This is called Heaven Rushing In. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.